Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the basic drawing commands in AutoCAD. In this video, we will learn 3 important commands: line, circle, and trim. These are very useful for beginners who are starting AutoCAD. So let's begin. First, let's learn the line command. The line command is used to draw straight lines. To start, go to the Home tab and select Line, or simply type L on the keyboard and press Enter. Now click any point in the workspace, move the cursor, and click another point. This creates a straight line. You can continue clicking to create connected lines. When finished, press Enter or Escape. The line command is one of the most basic and important tools in AutoCAD. It is used for drawings like plans, mechanical sketches, and many technical designs. Next, we will use the circle command. This command helps us draw circles easily. Type C and press Enter. Now select the center point of the circle. Then move the cursor outward and click to define the radius. You can also type the exact radius value. For example, type 20 and press Enter. Now the circle is created. This tool is useful for engineering drawings, machine parts, and many design works. Now let's learn the trim command. Trim is used to remove unwanted parts of objects. Type TR and press Enter. Then press Enter again to select all objects as cutting edges. Now click the part you want to remove. AutoCAD will trim that section. This is very useful when working with intersecting lines and circles. It helps make your drawing clean and accurate. So today, we learned 3 basic commands in AutoCAD: line, circle, and trim. These commands are essential for every beginner. Practice these tools regularly to improve your drawing skills. In the next video, I will show more AutoCAD commands and techniques. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.